Hi. Haven't had this in so long, I miss it. Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to Simply Krystle. So in today's video, it's going to be a little bit something different. I am braiding my daughter's hair. I'm just going to give her some cute little knotless braids, and I'm going to add a little bit of Bohemian touches to it, y'all. So I have freshly washed her hair, and went in and protected her hair with a heat protectant, and then I'm just blow drying it straight to make her hair more manageable to add these braids. So what I use is the Expression braiding hair. It's the one that's already prepped to just go in and separate and put it on your little that wooden hair separator. I believe it's originally supposed to be used for like thread or ribbon or whatever, but I went in and did that, and then I just cut some human hair off of a weft. I believe that is the Spanish curl from Milky Way. So y'all, I just want to give you guys a little transparency in what I do outside of creating content for y'all. So I'm gonna try this new BTL Braids twist and lock. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it's working with. Oh, it smells good. Let's see. Turn a little bit this way. Alright. The texture, it feels kind of thick. Ooh. Thick. Definitely a different texture from Jam. I don't know. So I've got the first braid in there. I'm using this new braiding gel or braiding gripper, and y'all, I'm liking it so far because it has like this thickness to it, but it's not too heavy. I'm hoping it doesn't leave any white residue, but baby, look. I love braiding Kinley's hair. It's like therapy for me. She loves getting her hair done. And something that I've realized, not necessarily with my 11-year-old, but more so with my 3-year-old daughter. When her hair is done, she has way better behavior. So y'all, keep that in mind if you have little girls. Make sure their hair is done and they're not walking around here looking crazy, because you will have better behavior. I promise you that. So yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys showing you a little bit of what I do outside of content creating. I am a wife first and a mommy first. And you guys, it is not an easy job. And sometimes people feel that as a stay-at-home mom, that you're just sitting at home twiddling your thumbs. And the only twiddling of thumbs that I do is with these braiding hairstyles, okay? So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I do behind the scenes. So what I've started doing is teaching Kinley how to braid and how to take care of her hair, the products she needs to use, what self-care looks like when it comes to African American women and their hair. And so while I'm braiding her hair, we're chatting, we're catching up, and I've begun to allow her to braid the bottom parts of the braid. So as I'm braiding, she's adding the pieces to the ends.
It's hard not to. It's right in front of my face. It's recording me.
I haven't had this in so long, I miss it. So yeah, she's not adding like the Bohemian pieces or adding hair. What I'm meaning to communicate is that she's completing the bottom half of the braid. So she's just free braiding the bottom of the braid. And so a lot of times you go to hair shops or braid shops and they have multiple people braiding your hair. Somebody may start a braid and then the other person may come and finish the bottom half of the braid, and that's what I'm doing for her and just helping her get that practice in. This is something that she has told me she wants to do. She wants to know how to braid her hair. She wants to understand how to do different hairstyles and how to take care of her hair. And this is a great age to learn those things. I'm thankful that I learned these things around her age. I'm the oldest of 5 and I have 3 sisters, and so I was always getting my practice in and doing hair, trying different styles and strengthening these skills, and I'm so happy I did that so I could share that with my girls. True for any woman. If you're feeling down or anything, go get your hair done. Make sure you fix your hair up. Throw some makeup on if that's what makes you feel better. But those are different ways of self-care and boosting your confidence. I think it's just so important. But y'all, this braid style turned out so pretty. I can't wait until you see the end results. Kinley absolutely loved it. And I remember when I was braiding her hair, she had a friend coming over to do a sleepover that evening. So I was like pushing it. I was trying to make that time count and get those braids in as quickly as possible so we could prepare for her friend to come over. So once I get finished braiding, what I'm gonna do is boil water, dip the ends, and spray it down with oil sheen, apply some mousse, and we'll be done. Well, if you guys have liked today's video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are teaching your daughters in this season about self-care. If you are loving any new products when you are braiding their hair. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.